All right, it's rolling whenever.
Okay.
Oh, safety's on. Yeah, it was on.
Oh. Holy fuck.
Yeah, that's the game target rounds.
Those are slugs?
The game target ones. That's the. They have bigger BBs and smaller BBs in it.
Holy shit.
Yeah, they spread out pretty good and they take the board right out. Fuck yeah.
Fucking right.
The spread and the size of those BBs is just crazy. It takes it right out. It's cool.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Okay, I zoomed in on the brick again.
Fucking right. Oh.
You can take the next shot. Fuck yeah. That's sick.
Fucking right. Alright.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, I'll go
No.
take out the other one. All right. Let's do this. We have a good armrest. Holy pollen. Well, the game rounds tore it to shit, but it didn't knock it down. Oh yeah, holy shit. Like a beaver got to it, eh?
Oh yeah.
American beaver.
Here, I'll put your ear back on. I'm gonna take it down with one slug.
Alright.
All right.
Holy fuck. God damn, that's clean.
Yeah. Woo. There we go. That's how you do it. Slug will do it.
Fucking right. That's how we're ready to get a kid's Christmas tree this year.
Yeah.
Damn.
Oh yeah.
Fucking right.
Yeah, I'll just take some shots at the small ones. Okay. Holy fuck.
Woo.